So hey guys, it is raining. Test drive of Innova second generation, which I was said continuing the video. So first is first gear, handbrake down, 2000 rpm, no wheel spin at all, and you can listen the sound of engine, which is air filter is coming out completely. Viper is too fast, and you can see the lights are very worst in, I can say only one word light is working. The turning radius is very large, I can say. This 2500 cc overall the pickup of the vehicle is, I can say, very good, but till today in 2020 it is working very nice. This is specialty of Innova, because anywhere old Innova is working today itself like new, and you can see the radius of the structure of the Innova very large, so you should be turned long. And as you can see, AC vents, I have on the AC vent. Let's see the pickup. And suspension is good overall. Mainly the comfort is only suspension in the Innova, I can say, because so suspension is very good in this vehicle. So let's turn and go back. Let's check. So in one turn it can't do. Let's do reverse. You can see the reverse camera, it's also off the market completely. Vehicle is getting from the off the market only. So adaptive lines, but no turning adaptive lines on the reverse camera. So shock absorbers is good, performing, suspension is good, and the clutch is harder side, and the brakes are too good. There are 4 drum brakes, but also a good braking system, so you can control. Brakes are very good, and you can listen the sound coming to an inner of the vehicle. So engine sound is coming in, and mainly that what we call as air filter sound is very large. You can see wipers are very good performing, and it's raining today. You can see here I'm in second gear, so you can start from the second gear itself Innova, because it is a very big cc engine. So without first gear you can be start. And nothing to say moreover in this Innova old generation version it is, but the mainly the sound which is coming is, it should be sound Innova, because with the sound only the Innova gets the look and attraction of the Innova. Horn is decent, not so big. This is also horn, also off the market. Let's check the top speed. 2000 rpm at second gear, 3000 rpm at second gear, third gear 2500 rpm, you can see. And overall sitting position is very high in this Innova. As we can see that the pickup is very good in this Innova, and not so bad, not so good, average, I can say. I will give 10 out of 6 to this old generation Innova today. And the suspension is like waves in this vehicle, you can say. And moreover the mileage of this vehicle is 8 per liter, and wipers are working good. Side mirrors are viewing very large, very good view, good. And nothing much to say in this Innova for large families. So this is good, I can say, but the old generation is not the market value as per today. So there is no market value to old generations of Innova. And if you want to buy, you can buy, but there is no resale value in this Innova of old generations. And the seating comfort is good, and the height of the seat is very nice view from driver position, I can say. And gear shifting is too fast, I can say, because RPM meter is raving very fast in this vehicle, and the gears which I have to shift from first to fourth is very fast, I can say. So from there to here I have shifted 4th gears, or else the RPM meter is going very, very fast and the sound is coming in. so you have to change gears regularly in these vehicles. So there will be more problems in these old generations as compared to new generations. I will make new video of new generation of Innovas also. So this is my first XUV video. So overall the suspension and pickup overall good, not so bad I can say. And moreover the tire 16 inches is very enough I think, because this is body on frame car and body on roll. When turnings, this is a body on roll completely. When you turn in speed, it will turn as like completely rolling the body completely. Waste fellows. And moreover to say in this car is nothing to say more, as it's raining heavy. So overall this is the Innova old generation. This model is 2012 model, so performance is very good in 2020 also. Almost 8 years done completed of this vehicle. And that's it guys. If you like my video Innova second generation, so anybody wants to buy second generation of Innova, you can be buy easily. So there is no problem of Innova buying. And market value of these generations, old generations, are some of tough, but okay I can say. And the seating position is nice. That's it guys. If you like my video, please like it, share to your friends, and if you're not subscribed still now to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you so much.